In a futuristic kitchen, precision meets passion as humanoid robots craft the perfect Valentine's Day feast. First up, a heart-shaped pizza, crispy, golden, and topped with love. With careful hands, the robots spread rich tomato sauce, layer on fresh mozzarella, and place pepperoni hearts with machine-like accuracy. Next, red velvet cupcakes, soft, sweet, and topped with swirls of creamy frosting. Each robot decorates them with delicate heart sprinkles, creating a masterpiece of flavor and design. For breakfast, heart-shaped pancakes sizzle to perfection. Flipped with robotic finesse, they land on plates, drizzled with syrup and fresh berries. And to top it all off, a Valentine's Day smoothie, blended to perfection with strawberries, bananas, and a touch of honey. Love may be human, but on this special day, even robots can serve it up, one delicious bite at a time.